Welcome to the iMBrace GovernCore tutorial, Part 1, Setup and Configuration. This video will guide you through the initial setup steps for iMBrace GovernCore, focusing on governance, compliance, and security. First, let's look at the organization and team setup. Here, you can view all existing teams, their members, and manage team activity statuses. Next, navigate to Access Control Settings for Active Directory mapping. This section allows you to manage role synchronization and assign roles to specific Azure AD groups. Under LLM Provider Controls, you can manage the large language model providers being used. This list shows the providers, names, and the number of models active. To add a new cloud LLM provider, you need to input the necessary credentials, such as Access Key ID and Secret Access Key, and select the region for connection. For an on-premise LLM setup, select Custom Provider and enter the access URL and API key. You can also define optional settings like max completion tokens and max output tokens. The fully integrated Guardrail setup allows you to connect Guardrail providers. Specify the provider name, type, endpoint URL, and API key to test the connection. Start your growth journey with iMBrace. Scan the QR code to learn more and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Continue with Part 2 of this tutorial to explore the admin console and see how governance and configuration are managed behind the scenes.